Hello, Vintage Outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here on Toledo Bend Lake. I'm making another video today. Today's video is on a mail-in repair job for a carburetor for John from New York. He's got a 1958 18 horsepower, and he contacted me, wanted to send his carburetor in for me to look at. Told me he didn't even look at it. He got this motor he wants to restore, and he wants me to redo the carburetor. So it might even run without working, but I'm still going to rebuild it for him. So let's open up the box and see what we got. I love doing this. It's like Christmas every day. Alright. I see a check here for the $150 for the rebuild, and I'll pay the shipping back to him. And here's his carb. Oh, he sent all the choke knobs and everything with it. So there's the carb. I'm gonna take it and put it on my 10 horsepower outside. I think it's a 10 horsepower he said he has. Anyway, I'm gonna put it on my test motor outside, and I'm gonna run it without even touching it, just see what it does. And then whether it works or not, I'm gonna rebuild it, carb kit, clean it, put it back on the motor and test it again, and send the video to John before I send the carburetor back. So if everybody's ready, here we go. As you can see, John's carburetor is just fine. I didn't do anything to it. Put it on my test motor and it runs great. So now I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna rebuild it. New carb kit, new gaskets, new orifice, everything, needle valve, everything replaced on it. And then I'm gonna put it back on my test motor and run it before I send it back to John. So he told me he hadn't tested it. He just wanted me to rebuild it, so it does work. I'm gonna rebuild it now. Here we go with that. I got her all cleaned up, soaked her for 45 minutes in my Barricam, replaced the gasket, the main orifice, two new packing nuts at each one of these, all completely rebuilt. Let's take her outside, put her on my test motor and see if she runs now. Here we go. As you can see, she runs great. Work runs really good. Rebuilt carburetor. All right, another successful mail-in repair service on a carburetor for John in New York, and it was a 10 horsepower. I had to put it on my 10 horsepower, and it came out beautiful. Fuel emptied out of it so we can ship it, ready to go back. All right, so if you guys out there, guys and girls, have any carburetors you need rebuilt, or magnetos or gear cases, just let me know. Ship it to me. I'll take care of it. Guarantee it works because it's tested on my test motor, and I'll ship it back to you. Well, I enjoyed the video. Hope y'all did too. See you next time. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least one video every week. And then go ahead and hit the like button and join the T-Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson & Evinrude's 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one, I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by Googling T-Mike Vintage Outboards, or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed, 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos, and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video.